Good morning, children. We are going to continue linear equations one variable, reducing equations to simpler form or linear equation form. That exercise we started earlier. We are going to continue the same. Next example, solve five x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 12 by 7. So, a equation can be given in any form. We want to reduce the equations to linear equation form or simple equation form. So, first step as it is. So, whatever they gave, we write as it is. Now, we try to cross multiply the given equation. That means numerator of the LHS is multiplied with the denominator of RHS and numerator of RHS is multiplied with the denominator of LHS. So, 7 into 5x plus 2 is equal to 12 into 2x plus 3. So, this is what is called cross multiplication. 7 into 5, 35x, 7 into 2, it is 14, 12 into 2x, 24x, 12 into 3, it is 36. Now bring down 24 to the first side. 35x minus 24x is equal to 36 minus 14. 35 minus 24, it is 11x, and 36 minus 14, it is 22. Finally, we got x is equal to 22 by 11. 11 ones, 11 twos. So the value of x is 2. So we simplified the equation to linear equation form. Finally, we got 11x equal to 22 and x is equal to 22 by 11 is equal to 2. First step is as it is. Second step is important. You have to cross multiply the terms on both sides. That is, numerator of LHS is multiplied with the denominator of RHS and numerator of RHS is multiplied with the denominator of LHS. 7 into 5x plus 2 is equal to 12 into 2x plus 3. 7 into 5, 35x, 7 into 2, it is 14, 12 into 2x, it is 24x, and 12 into 3, it is 36. Bring down like terms to one side. 35x minus 24x, they two are like terms. 36 and 14, they two are like terms which are constants. So, 35x minus 24x equal to 11x, 36 minus 14 equal to 22, and x equal to 22 by 11 is equal to 2. That is how we solve the equation. Next one, solve same model, x plus 2 by x plus 7 by 3x plus 16 is equal to 4 by 7. So, first step as it is. Second step is cross multiplication. 7 into x plus 7 is equal to 4 into 3x plus 16. 7 into x, 7x. 7 into 7, it is 49. 4 into 3x, 12x. Plus 4 into 16, it is 64. Bring 7x to the first side and take 49 to the other side. 7x minus 12x is equal to 64 minus 49. 7x minus 12x, it is minus 5x. 64 minus 49, it is 25. X is equal to 25 by minus 5. 5 ones, 5 5s. So, you got x is equal to minus 5. This is how we solve linear equations. Now, we are going to do next model. So, follow next model carefully. Rehana got 24% discount on her frock. She paid rupees 380 after discount. Find the market price of the frock. Rehana is the name of the girl. Rehana got 24% discount on her frock. She paid rupees 380 after discount. After discount, find the marked price of the frock. So solution, what we want to find? Marked price. We start with that. Let the marked price of the frock is equal to rupees X. How much discount is given? 24% discount. So 24% discount on X is equal to 24 by 100 into X. 4 table. 4 6 are 4 25 are. So the discount given is 6x by 25 rupees. After the discount, the amount paid is 380. Therefore, amount paid from the market price, you want to subtract discount. Amount paid equal to X minus 6x by 25, which is 380. This is the amount paid by Rahana after discount. So X minus 6x by 25. X by no number means 1. Here we want to take LCM. I will do it here. 25 is the LCM. 1 divides 25 times, so 25x. 25 divides 25 1 time, so minus 6x is equal to 380. 25 minus 6, it is 19x by 25 is equal to 380. Therefore, x is equal to 380. This by 25 becomes into 25 and into 19 becomes by 19. 19 ones, 19 20s. Therefore, the market price of the frock equal to rupees 500. 20 into 25 is 500. So, what is given for us? A problem on discount. Discount is always calculated on market price. We want to find that market price, that is considered as X, on which 24% discount is given. We calculated 24% of X, which is 6x by 25. From the market price, if you subtract discount, you will get the amount that is paid, that is the selling price of the shopkeeper. So the shopkeeper sold the frock for rupees 380 after giving discount. So Rehana paid rupees 380, but we want to find what is the market price of the frock. We got the market price of the frock is rupees 500. I think you followed this. Next, we are going to do the next problem. 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of a number by 4. Find the number. Four-fifth of a number is greater than 3/4 of the number by 4. Find the number. So we want to find a number for which we want to take 4/5 and 3/4. The difference between 4/5 and 3/4 is given to be 4. So I start with this solution. Let the number equal to x. 4/5 of the number is equal to 4x by 5. 3/4 of the number is equal to 3x by 4. So they gave a condition, given that 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4, the difference of these two is given to be 4. Now you want to find LCM for 5 and 4. The LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. 5 divides 4 times, 4 into 4, 16x. 4 divides 5 times, 5 into 3, minus 15x is equal to 4. Cross multiplication. X is equal to, cross multiplication gives 20 into 4. Therefore, the number you want to take is how much? 80. A simple problem. We are reducing the conditions to linear equation form or simple equation form. Finally, we are calculating the value of the variable, in general, x. Next, John sold his watch for rupees 301 at a loss of 14% on it. Find the cost price of the watch. John sold a watch for rupees 301 and lost 14% on it. Find the cost price of the watch. So we consider, let the cost price. There are three prices. One is cost price, the second one is selling price, and the third one is marked price. Cost price is different from selling price. Selling price will be different from marked price. So don't get confused with those three values. Let the cost price is equal to rupees x. On this, how much percent is loss? 14% of x is equal to 14 by 100 into x. 2 7s, 2 50s. It is 7x by 50. Loss is equal to x minus 7x by 50. X minus 7x by 50. And the difference of cost price and the loss is equal to how much? That is the amount paid. How much it is? 301. So x by no number means 50. 50x minus 7x by 50 equal to 301. We will write here 43x by 50 equal to 301. X is equal to 301 into 50 by 43. 7 table, 43 ones, 43 sevens. So the actual cost of the watch is how much? Rupees 350. But the person sold it for rupees 301 and he incurred a loss of 14%. So what is the cost price we have taken? X. What is the loss on X? 14%. How much it is? 7x minus 50. Therefore, selling price, SP we can write, cost minus loss, 301. Calculation gives the cost price of the watch is rupees 350. There is one more problem in the examples. I will tell you that later. Now we are entering into exercise 2.5. First Roman, solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. First one, n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3. So this we are going to solve. So we write the first step as it is. Now take this minus 5 by 7 to that side, because this is the number containing the variable n. This is not having any variable, so it is considered to be a constant. The other side is also having only constant. So take constants to one side. N by 5 equal to 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. n by 5 equal to LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. 3 divides 21, 7 times 7 into 2, 14. 7 divides 21, 3 times 3 into 5, 15. We get this is equal to 25 by 21. Now we need x. X is equal to, sorry, n. N is equal to 25 by 21 into 5. So it is 125 by 21. The value of n is 125 by 21. We can check the answer also. It is exercise 2.5. Sorry, 29 it is. 29 into 5 it is 145. 145 by 21. You have to be careful in addition also. I did some mistake. So don't do any mistakes. Add properly. 14 plus 25 it is 29. 29 by 29 into 5 and the final answer of n is 145 by 21. Second one. X by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 14. The denominator here 3 and 4 LCM is 12. So first step we take as it is. 3 divides 12, 4 times 4 into x, 4x. 4 divides 12, 3 times 3 into minus x, minus 3x is equal to 14. X by 12 is equal to 14. Take 12 to the other side. By 12 becomes into 12. 14 into 12 is equal to 168. So the value of x is 168. Like this you can try second and third homework. I am doing now fifth one. Fifth problem is solve 9 1 by 4. 9 1 by 4 minus y is 9 1 by 4 is equal to y minus 1 1 by 3. So the problem is given in mixed fractions form. So 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 1, 37 by 4 is equal to y minus 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Take minus 4 by 3 to the other side. 37 by 4 plus 4 by 3 is equal to y. Or y is equal to LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 4 divides 12, 3 times 3 into 37. 3 7s 21, 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11. 111. 3 divides 12, 4 times 4 into 4, 16. Y is equal to 127 by 12. This is how we get the value of the variable. So this is a chapter on linear equation in one variable. Each time we are solving the value of the variable, which is the solution of the linear equation. Next problem, sixth one, x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. So you take the first step as it is. What are the denominators? 2, 5, 5, 10 and 5. I told another model where we can take the LCM of the denominators, multiply each term by the LCM. So the LCM of all the denominators on both sides of the equation is 10, because 10 is a multiple of 2 and 5. So LCM of 2, 5, 10 is 10. Now with the LCM I am multiplying each term. X by 2 into 10 minus 4 by 5 into 10 plus x by 5 into 10 plus 3x by 10 into 10 is equal to 1 by 5 into 10. 2 ones, 2 5s, so you get it as 5x. 5 ones, 5 2s, 2 into 4 8, and it is minus 8. 5 ones, 5 2s, it is plus 2x. And here 3x by 10 into 10. 10 10 gets cancelled, plus 3x is equal to 5 ones, 5 2s. Add like terms. 3x plus 2x, 5x. 5x plus 5x, 10x minus 8 is equal to 2. Take minus 8 to the other side. 10x is equal to 2 plus 8. 10x equal to 10, and finally the value of x equal to 10 by 10, x is equal to 1. So what is given? X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. LCM of all the denominators is 10 because 10 is a multiple of both 2 and 5. So with the LCM multiply each term. X by 2 into 10 minus 4 by 5 into 10 plus x by 5 into 10 plus 3x by 10 into 10 is equal to 1 by 5 into 10. I multiplied each term with the LCM. So 5x minus 8 plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 2. Add like terms. 5x plus 2x, 7x, 7x plus 3x, 10x, minus 8 is equal to 2. Transpose minus 8 to the other side. 10x is equal to 2 plus 8, 10x equal to 10, and x equal to 10 by 10, and we got the value of x equal to 1. So in all these we are solving the value of the variable. Next, 7th one you try homework. 8th one I am doing now. Solve 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So you write first step as it is. Solution. Cross multiplication. With the 3 you multiply 2x minus 3. With the 2 you multiply 3x plus 2. 3 into 2x, 6x, 3 into minus 3, minus 18. This is minus 2. Minus 2 into 3x, minus 6x, minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4. Now bring down x terms to one side. 6x, this minus 6x becomes plus 6x is equal to take minus 18 to the other side. Minus 4 plus 18. Sorry, here it is 3 3s 9. 3 2s are 6x, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 into 3x, minus 6x, minus 2 into plus 2, it is minus 4. Minus 6x becomes plus 6x, minus 9 becomes plus 9. Now 12x is equal to minus 4 plus 9, it is plus 5. X is equal to 5, and transpose 12 to the other side, it becomes by 12. So the final answer is 5 by 12. Next. Problem number 10 I am explaining. 9 you try homework. 7y plus 2 by 5 is equal to 6y minus 5 by 11. Here also you have to follow the same method, cross multiplication. 11 into 7y plus 2 is equal to 5 into 6y minus 5. 11 into 7, 77y minus 11 into 2, 22 equal to 5 into 6, 30y minus 25. Take 30y to the first side. 77y minus 30y is equal to minus 25, and this plus 22 becomes minus 22. 47y equal to minus 25 minus 22, it is minus 47. Finally, value of y equal to minus 47 by 47 and y equal to minus 1. This is how we calculate the value of the variable. Next I am doing 12th problem. You try 11th one homework. Solve 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 is equal to t plus 3 by 8 minus plus 3t minus 1 by 14. What are the denominators? 16, 7, 8, 16. For all this you want to find LCM 16, 7, 8, 14. Divide with 2. 2 8s, 7, 2 4s, 2 7s. Now with 2. 2 4s, 7, 2 2s, 7. Now with 2. 2 2s, 7, 2 1s, 7. Now with 7. 2, 7 1s, 7 1s, 7 1s. Now all these are prime numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 7s are 112. So LCM of 16, 7, 8, 14 is 112. With the LCM you multiply each term very carefully. 3t plus 1 by 16 into 112 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 into 112 is equal to t plus 3 by 8 into 112 plus 3t minus 1 by 14 into 112. 16 1, 16 7, 7 into 3t, 21t, 7 into 1, 7, 7 1, 7 16, 16 into 2t, 32t, before bracket you have minus, so minus 32t, 16 into minus 3, minus 48, minus of minus, plus 48 is equal to 8 1s, 8 14s, 14 into t, 14t, 14 into 3, 42, 14 1s, 14 8s, 8 3s, 24t minus 8. Add like terms, 21 minus 32, it is minus 11t, 7 plus 48, it is 55, 14t plus 24t, it is 38t, 42 minus 8, it is 34. Now bring down t terms to one side, minus 11t minus 38t is equal to 34 minus 55. These two becomes minus 49t is equal to 34 minus 55 is equal to minus 21. T, both sides you have minus cancels. T equal to 21 by 49, 7 7, 7 3. So the value of t equal to 3 by 7. So this is a lengthy problem. You have to practice it carefully. I will check the answer. Exercise 2.5, problem number 12, it is clearly 3 by 7. Like this, we can work out many problems, and we have application of these models in verbal problems that we are going to continue in next class. Thank you, children. Practice all these problems well. I gave some problems as homework. Practice them so that we can continue the applications of all these models in verbal problems, and we are coming to an end of this chapter, maximum in 1 or 2 classes. Thank you.